Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Highlander's rear windshield wiper. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window. You might need to remove a small plastic cover at the base of the arm to fully raise it. Be careful not to force anything, as plastic components can be fragile. Once the arm is lifted, you will have better access to the blade for removal. Now let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this release mechanism firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook. It should detach with relative ease. If it feels stuck, try wiggling it gently to loosen any corrosion or debris. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Most Toyota Highlander rear wiper blades are 12 inches long, so confirm you have the correct size. Carefully align the new blade's connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide it on until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose. To finish up, gently lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. If you removed a plastic cover earlier, snap it back into place over the arm's base. Don't forget to remove any protective plastic strips from the new wiper blade. Finally, activate your rear wiper with some washer fluid to ensure it clears the window effectively and smoothly, providing clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.